Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Commerce Tute, your flight to success. Students, this is the exercise which I'm going to solve of Chapter 2, OCM, 12th Commerce. Now, I think your exams are also approaching and you people are into the, question answers and objective type of questions you people are preparing, I guess. So this was a request by one of the student who wanted chapter 2 of OCM exercise. So I tried my best. Students, stay tuned with my YouTube channel so that I will try to bring all the questions. I am in the process. So you just kindly subscribe and subscribe it and click on the bell icon for the new video notifications. So definitely I'm trying to put all the answers of all the questions basically, but yes, initially I'm trying to give the multiple type of question exercises fully solved so that at least after watching this video you are prepared with the MCQs. And because digitalization is going on और मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस जो आपको पूछे जा रहे हैं वो ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड है, गूगल फॉर्म्स के थ्रू आपको पूछा जा रहा है. तो आई थिंक मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ सॉल्विंग आई थिंक विल बी वेरी मच फ्रूटफुल, है ना. तो इसीलिए ये एक इनिशिएटिव है. लेकिन हाँ, आप चैनल से जुड़े रहिए, आपको डेफिनेटली सारे आंसर्स मैं पोस्ट करती रहूंगी, ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज चिल्ड्रन. Question number 1, select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. So I'll just read out for you and the answers are already highlighted. तो मैं एक बारी रीड करती हूँ so आपको वो आंसर क्लियर हो जाए, ठीक है. So the first one is the functions of management start with dash function. That is obvious है, planning से ही शुरू होती है, ठीक है. Second, the functions of management and with dash, controlling. ठीक है. फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में जहां तक हम सब ने आपने भी पढ़ा होगा कि इट एंड्स विद कंट्रोलिंग. थर्ड है डैश सेट्स आउट स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर कंट्रोलिंग. यस, डेफिनेटली द आंसर इज प्लानिंग, क्योंकि प्लानिंग से ही स्टैंडर्ड्स सेट होते हैं, आगे चलकर आप कैसे कंट्रोल कर पाते हो कंपनी को, एम्प्लॉयज को, है ना. Then fourth point is organization function is important for execution of plans which have been prepared by dash management. Definitely it has been prepared by the top level management, है ना. Okay. Fifth, dash is the function which supports to activate the plans with the help of employees. डायरेक्टिंग इज द राइट आंसर. ये एक फंक्शन है जो सपोर्ट करता है जो भी प्लान्स है और वो भी एम्प्लॉयज के साथ. तो डायरेक्शन डज प्ले अ रोल, क्लियर. देन कम्स dash is the function of execution according to the plan and the organizational structure. Students, if you can see the previous one and this one simultaneously दोनों थोड़े बहुत सेम लग रहे हैं ना. तो ऑब्वियस है कि ये जो सपोर्ट करता है प्लान को एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर के लिए, द आंसर इज डायरेक्टिंग, ठीक है. Then the seventh one is dash arranges the work in such a way that minimum conflicts are raised. Yes, the answer is coordinating. अगर एक प्रॉपर वर्क ठीक से कोऑर्डिनेट होता है तो वहां पर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स कम होते हैं, वहां पे झगड़े कम होते हैं, isn't it? Okay. Then comes your B part of it, that is match the pair. Students, kindly follow the arrows. A, planning क्या है? It's deciding. Third one है deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do and who is to do it. Very important. B है organizing. Just check out the arrow. B हमारा आंसर है. Sixth one, that is decides the ways and means to achieve what has been planned. Organize करना है ना ठीक से. Staffing is the ninth one. It is the process of recruiting, selecting, placing and remunerating. D है directing, which is the first one, the answer. It is the process of instructing, guiding, communicating and motivating. And last E है coordinating का हमारा आंसर है second one. It is an integration and synchronization of the efforts of the group. Students, arrows are, wherever the arrows are following, just see to it those are the right answers, ठीक है. C है give one word phrase term for the following statement. Okay. The first one is the right person at the right job with the right pay. That is nothing but it is staffing. Okay. Then a person who shows the correct path as well as guides employees in solving the problem, it is nothing but it is your director. Okay. Third one, फर्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑब्वियसली प्लानिंग है, प्लानिंग से ही शुरुआत होती है. फोर्थ है लास्ट फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोलिंग, इट एंड्स विथ कंट्रोलिंग. फिफ्थ is it is an intellectual process of logical thinking and rational decision making. It is planning. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just bring them here because it can be seen properly, students. Okay, I will just try to bring these points one below the other so it is useful for you to understand properly. Okay. So I was reading out the fifth point. It is an intellectual process of logical thinking and rational decision making. It is planning. Sixth, the term that is used to denote the structure. It is organization. It is seventh one. It is the process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising and remunerating the people. You have studied this in staffing. The right answer is staffing. I'll just bring it here. Okay. Then comes the process that leads the employees towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. The answer is directing. Okay. Ninth, it increases the team spirit of the workplace. Obviously coordinating hai, coordination hai, but the right answer is coordinating. You can write. Then comes the process, or it is the process of comparing the actual performance with the predetermined standard performance. It is controlling. Okay. Now students, you all can see one by one. I'll just bring these things here so that it is very much visible to you and you can easily identify. Okay, these are the true and false, students. Before I read out the true and false, it becomes easier for you people, to understand these points. So it is easily visible and you can also remember for a longer period of time. Okay, true and false. Every function of management is not based on planning. False. Planning is the must. Specialization in activities leads to increase in organizational efficiency. Very much true. Qualified, efficient and skilled workforce is always an asset of the organization. Why not? It is definitely, they are the assets of the company. Cooperation is not necessary for the smooth flow of organizational activities. Completely wrong. ये false है. Cooperation की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है बच्चों. Fifth, coordination motivates the employees to take initiative while complete their task, assigned task. True. Coordination is the must in any organization. Standards are not set for every performance in controlling the function. Totally wrong है. Standards होते ही है. Okay, so that the answer is false. Students, let us go to the E part of it. Find the odd one. यहाँ पर दिया है फर्स्ट वन, प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग और राइटिंग. तीनों हमारे फंक्शंस है. प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग. राइटिंग इज नॉट, सो मैंने उसको हाईलाइट कर दिया है. सिलेक्टिंग, ट्रेनिंग, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग एंड प्लेसिंग. सिलेक्टिंग, ट्रेनिंग, प्लेसिंग ये सब कुछ स्टाफिंग में आता है. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, है ना. देन F part of it. F part of it will read complete the sentences. Students, यहाँ पे आपको एक fill in the blank दिया है. जहाँ पर भी मैंने लिखा है वो आंसर्स ही है. Obviously जो डैश मार्क है वहां पर मैंने आंसर लिखा है already. I'll read out for you. The task of getting the things done by others is known as management. ठीक है. The functions of manager starts with, obviously students, what is it? It is planning. The dash function of management initiates action. Directing. डायरेक्ट करने से ही तो एक फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इनिशिएट होता है. रिक्रूटमेंट आर डन अंडर स्टाफिंग फंक्शन. जैसे हमने अभी पढ़ा था, सिलेक्टिंग, ट्रेनिंग, प्लेसिंग, these are all about staffing. It's all about recruitment. Dash is the fundamental function of management. Planning, of course. Dash integrates departmental activities for achieving common goal of the organization, that is coordinating. And dash is the last function, ये already हमने above exercise में solve किया है, that is controlling. ठीक है, let us go to the next G part of it. Select the correct options from the bracket. Students, there are 3 options, you have to choose the right one. ठीक है, planning is a detailed program of present, future, past course of action. The correct answer is future. जो भी आप प्लान करते हो फ्यूचर को मद्देनजर रखे करते हो. Second, directing is a responsibility of manager, workers, people at all levels. It is all about the manager. Third point, qualified, efficient and skilled workforce is always an liability, asset, expense of the organization. The correct answer is highlighted already. It is assets. ठीक है, answer in one sentence. Students, I have tried, I have tried to put the answer in a best possible way so that it is helpful for you, isn't it? So let's see. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर लाती हूँ so that it is visible for you and you can easily understand the answer. I have written in a very easy and बहुत ही simple सा answer मैंने लिया है यहाँ पे, so it will help you to remember also. ठीक है, so I'll just read out. The first is what is management? Student, this is the simplest answer I have taken out. The tasks which are taken to achieve organizational goal is called as management. Just remember this one line, ये एक sentence में ही लिखा जाता है. What is planning? Planning is an intellectual process of logical thinking and rational decision making. You can just highlight the important points and remember, but it is in one line, so I think at least this much you can remember. What is staffing? Staffing, you can see the arrows, children. जहां पर भी एरोज है आपको वही क्वेश्चन के बारे में ही है, that particular question. Okay, what is staffing? Staffing is the function of execution according to plan and organizational structure. ठीक है, what is directing? It is the process of instructing, guiding, communicating, inspiring, motivating and supervising the employees to achieve predetermined goals in organization. I think यहाँ पे हम और एक एक्स्ट्रा द निकाल देंगे. ओके, देन व्हाट इज कंट्रोलिंग? कंट्रोलिंग इज द, आई थिंक आई हैव रेड व्हाट इज डायरेक्टिंग, है ना. व्हाट इज कंट्रोलिंग? कंट्रोलिंग इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ कंपेयरिंग एक्चुअल परफॉर्मेंस विद अ प्रीडिटरमाइंड स्टैंडर्ड परफॉर्मेंस. ठीक है, ओके, so let us go to the next part of the exercise, that is correct the underlined words. Students, मैंने यहाँ पे आंसर लिखा है तो ये थोड़ा सा ओवर आ गया है, तो इसको मैं थोड़ा सा कम कर देती हूँ. गिव, आई मीन टू से करेक्ट द अंडरलाइन वर्ड एंड रीराइट द सेंटेंस हियर. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज फैक्टर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट आर ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड. नो, द राइट आंसर इज इट इज चेंजिंग. Staffing is concerned with machines. Wrong. It is concerned with humans. Directing is the function of comparing the actual performance with the predetermined performance. Directing नहीं है, इसका ये आंसर है. सही आंसर है controlling. Coordination helps to maximize the wastage of resources and controls the cost of work. गलत है. It minimizes. Controlling means rigid to some extent. Completely wrong. It is flexible. ठीक है. Arrange in proper order. Students, they have already given you 3 important terms. You have to arrange them. पहले कौन सा आता है? उन्होंने दिया है controlling, organizing, planning. Students, the first thing to go is planning, फिर आता है organizing and third is controlling. ठीक है, मैंने उनको ऐसे randomly नंबर दे दिया है नीचे. Second is directing, coordinating and staffing. नहीं, पहले आता है staffing, सबको सिलेक्ट करना, रिक्रूट करना, फिर आता है डायरेक्टिंग, उनको डायरेक्ट करना, और फिर थर्ड आता है कोऑर्डिनेटिंग. डायरेक्ट करने के बाद कोऑर्डिनेशन का रोल आता है. स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव ट्राइड to help you out in understanding the multiple type questions and one line answers. In coming videos, definitely I am going through the comments, a bit of comments whatever I'm getting regarding you want the answers of all the exercises. Yes, definitely I'm going to do so because it is in the process, and I will post them as and when I finish with them. Lectures of all subjects still going on the other hand, so all my notifications will soon come to you. Just if your concepts are clear, you have understood, then kindly like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for the new video notification so that whatever I post instantly you receive it. Till then, thank you so much, students. Thank you.